Amaphoyisa aqhubeka nokuthungatha abasolwa kanye nezibhamu ezingekho emthethweni ngaphansi kohlelo i-Operation Shanela, kepha uCele uthi uyaqhubeka nokukhathazeka ngezinga lokuhlaselwa kwamaphoyisa.
Additional 25 million rand is also allocated to provinces to the enhancement of the safeguard of the police station. We call on police to be more vigilant as police attacks and killings are on the increase. We also urge communities to support police safety efforts.
Amaqembu ahlukene aphikisayo nawo azwakalisa okukhulu ukukhathazeka ngokungaphephi kwamaphoyisa.
This shocking spike in police killings underscores, perhaps more than anything else, the near complete collapse of our security establishment in the country. When criminals don't fear consequences from the state, they become emboldened to commit more crime and even to attack the state itself by killing our police officers.
Amanye amaqembu aweneme ngokushaya ngolonwabu kohlelo lokwenziwa kolibofuzo emacaleni okudlwengula.